Most AI talking head channels fail for one simple reason. They build videos, but they never build a system. And without a system, content doesn't scale. Most people think it is about the tools, but the hard truth is that most creators are building individual videos when they should be building repeatable systems. A system is what allows a channel to scale without the creator burning out. It is the foundation that turns a hobby into a business. Today, we are breaking down the exact system used by successful AI channels, a structure built on 4 core pillars: positioning, format, distribution, and iteration. Without these, you are just making videos. With them, you are building an empire. The primary failure point is the video-first mindset. Most creators start with a tool, like a voice generator or an avatar builder, and try to force a video out of it. They focus on the friction of production rather than the strategy of growth. AI certainly removes the friction, but it doesn't replace the need for structure. Content doesn't scale without a system. When you focus on the system, the individual videos become assets within a larger machine. Most channels build videos, not systems. This shift in perspective is what separates the noise from the signal on YouTube. It is about creating a predictable outcome through a repeatable process. The first pillar is positioning. This isn't just about picking a niche. It is about finding your onlyness. It is the unique perspective that every video on your channel reinforces. Successful AI channels don't just talk about a topic, they own a specific angle. Your positioning is the central idea that ties your content together. If you change the topic but keep the positioning, your audience stays. If your positioning is weak, your audience is just there for one video, and then they leave. Every video connects back to one core idea. The second pillar is format. This is the blueprint for how your ideas are transformed into a finished product. Successful channels use repeatable formats to reduce decision fatigue. They don't reinvent the wheel for every video. They follow a proven structure: a hook that works, a middle that delivers value, and a conclusion that drives action. Repeatable formats reduce friction, allowing you to focus on the quality of the information rather than the mechanics of the edit. Production becomes a simple, repeatable checklist. This is how you produce high-quality content consistently. The third pillar is distribution. Creating great content is only half the battle. You need a system to get it seen by the right people. Efficient distribution means thinking beyond the single upload. It is about turning one long-form video into multiple short-form assets, shorts, reels, and tweets, that all feed viewers back to your main channel. This ecosystem ensures that every piece of content works harder for you. You aren't just uploading a video, you are launching a campaign. Treat your content like a digital spiderweb, designed to catch attention across the entire internet and pull it back to center. The final pillar is iteration. The system is never static. It must evolve based on data and viewer signals. Successful creators don't just look at views, they analyze retention, click-through rates, and audience sentiment to refine their positioning and format. Every video is a test. The data tells you what to double down on and what to cut. This feedback loop is the engine of growth. Without iteration, you are just guessing. Conduct a clinical trial on what works. The goal is to get 1% better with every single upload until your system is undeniable. We often hear that AI will replace the creator, but that is a fundamental misunderstanding. AI is a powerful lever, but it needs a solid foundation to move anything. Remember, tools don't scale. Processes do. You can have the best avatar in the world, but without a system for positioning, formatting, distributing, and iterating, You are just playing with toys. AI amplifies your systems, not replaces them. The creators who win are the ones who use AI to amplify their systems, not to replace their strategy. AI removes the work, but it doesn't remove the thinking. The path to a successful AI talking head channel is clear. Build the system first, then scale the content. When the system works, the channel grows automatically. And if you're interested in understanding how these systems actually work, that's exactly what this channel explores.